Did you know that some of the most impressive and ambitious projects on the planet are in China? Infrastructures so monumental and technologically advanced that they look straight out of a science fiction movie? But we are not talking about the distant future or technological fantasies. These wonders are tangible realities built today with a unique combination of vision, cutting-edge engineering, and boundless ambition. China is not only consolidating itself as a global economic power, but is also positioning itself as an undisputed leader in technological innovation. Imagine underground cities, colossal dams and megabridges crossing miles of water, all demonstrating why this country is pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In this video, we will explore 5 Chinese megaprojects that will leave you speechless. The underground city of Sanguin. Imagine an entire city underground, a place where architectural innovation and the need for space combine in a spectacular way. This is the concept behind Sanjing Underground City, a project in development that could redefine how humans use and take advantage of space. China has faced challenges for decades due to rapid urban growth and the lack of available land in many of its large cities. The solution? Expand downwards, not sideways. The Sanjin project seeks to build a self-sufficient city under the surface, with residential areas, offices, recreational spaces, and even commercial areas. Can you imagine living in a place where everything you need is under your feet? Protected from inclement weather and designed to maximize urban space. 1. One of the most fascinating aspects of this project is how advanced technologies will be integrated to make underground life comfortable and sustainable. For example, smart lighting systems will replicate sunlight, and spaces will be designed to optimize natural ventilation, creating an environment that feels as open and healthy as on the surface. In addition, the use of geothermal energy and innovative recycling methods are being explored to minimize environmental impact. However, building something like this is not without challenges. Engineers and architects are working on how to ensure structural safety, manage possible flooding, and create a design that is not only functional, but also attractive to its future inhabitants. But beyond the practical, this city represents a bold vision for the future. It is a statement of how China is leading the way in addressing global problems such as overpopulation and limited land use. The underground city of Sanjing could not only be a solution for densely populated cities, but also a model that other nations could follow. So the question is, would you be willing to live underground if it meant a more efficient and sustainable life? The underground city of Sanguin could be the first step towards a future where our homes are not only on the surface, but also below it. China is revolutionizing the world with projects that not only challenge the limits of design and engineering, but also open up new possibilities for the future of humanity. One of these fascinating advances is the underground city of Sanguin, an ambitious concept that redefines how we can use urban spaces. But the depths of this country are not only reserved for solving urban problems. Beyond Sanjing, China's spirit of exploration takes us to one of the most enigmatic and audacious places in the world of science, the Jinping Underground Science Laboratory. First, let's talk about blood. Imagine a place where the limitations of space on the surface dissipate, and an entire city takes shape underground. Sanguin not only promises residential and commercial areas, but also offices, recreational parks, and everything necessary for modern life. This project arises in response to rapid urban growth and the need for sustainable solutions. Chinese cities face a shortage of available land, and Sanjin offers a revolutionary alternative. But what will it be like to live underground thanks to advanced technologies? As lighting systems that mimic sunlight and optimize ventilation, Sanguin promises a comfortable and healthy experience. In addition, its focus on sustainability makes it a model of a self-sufficient city, where geothermal energy and recycling and innovative systems are protagonists. However, the design must overcome important challenges, such as ensuring structural safety, manage floods, and build an attractive environment for its inhabitants. But what is clear is that Shenzhen is not just an experiment. It is a glimpse into the future of megacities. On the other hand, we move from urban ambitions to scientific explorations in a perfect transition to Jinping's laboratory. Yes, Shenzhen represents how to harness underground space for our practical needs. Jinping symbolizes how to explore the unknown. This laboratory, hidden deep in the mountains of Sichuan, is a portal to the mysteries of the universe. More than 2,400 m underground, it is surrounded by layers of solid rock that protect it from cosmic radiation and other external interferences, making this place the ideal environment for advanced scientific research. The laboratory is dedicated to the study of dark matter, that mysterious substance that makes up much of the universe, but that remains an enigma for humanity. Inside Jinping, huge detectors work day and night to pick up tiny signals that could give us crucial clues about this phenomenon. The instruments are so sensitive that any disturbance, even from the surface, could compromise the results. That's why this lab was built at such a depth, where conditions are almost perfect for these extreme precision experiments. In addition to its advanced infrastructure, Jinping stands out for China's commitment to science and innovation. This project not only seeks to expand the limits of human knowledge, but also represents the country's investment in cutting-edge technologies. Solving the mystery of dark matter could have revolutionary implications, from advances in energy to completely new technological applications. But the story doesn't end there. Jinping is not only a place where the secrets of the cosmos are deciphered, it is also a statement of how China is leading global scientific exploration. While Shenzhen is an example of how to solve urban challenges, Jinping reminds us that the future also lies in the depths of the unknown. Together, these underground projects are a testament to the extent of human ambition and Chinese ingenuity. So the next time you think about what lies beneath your feet, remember that the underground world may be full of possibilities that we're just beginning to imagine now. Let's look at another impressive wonder of China, a project that takes ground transportation to a whole new level, the ultra-high-speed maglev train. This train not only redefines the speed at which people can travel, but also reflects China's commitment to innovation and technological leadership on the global stage. What makes this train so special? Unlike conventional trains that move on metal wheels that run along tracks, the maglev uses magnetic levitation technology to literally float over the tracks. How does it work? The train is supported by powerful magnets that generate electromagnetic fields. These fields allow the train to rise a few inches above the track and travel without physical contact. By eliminating friction, this train can reach incredible speeds in excess of 600 km/h. To give you an idea, this is almost double what traditional high-speed trains can accomplish beyond their amazing speed. The maglev ultra-high-speed train is designed to transform the ground transportation experience. Imagine a trip so fast that you could go from Beijing to Shanghai, two of China's most important cities, in less than 2 hours. Today, this journey takes more than 5 hours, even on conventional high-speed trains. Now think about all this means. People who can travel faster to work or study. Goods that are transported faster, and a positive impact on trade, tourism, and the economy in general. But maglev is not only fast, it's also incredibly efficient and quiet. Its aerodynamic design is optimized to reduce air resistance, maximizing its performance even at high speeds. The carriages are designed to offer an exceptional level of comfort with ergonomic interiors, soundproof cabins, and advanced technology that guarantees a smooth and safe trip. It is a perfect example of how technology not only seeks functionality, but also user experience. However, What really stands out about this project is its environmental impact. Unlike other means of transportation, such as planes or cars that rely on fossil fuels, the maglev train also runs on electricity. China plans to integrate renewable energy sources into the electricity grid that powers this system. This means that it is not only a faster solution, but also more environmentally friendly, significantly reducing carbon emissions compared to other means of transport. Of course, building such an advanced transportation system is no easy task. The infrastructure required for a maglev train of this nature requires a very high level of precision and technology. The tracks must be perfectly straight and smooth to allow for uninterrupted levitation and movement. Monitoring and control systems must be state-of-the-art to ensure safety at such extreme speeds. Besides, the initial construction cost is considerable, yet the Chinese government sees it as a strategic investment that will place the country at the forefront of global transportation. This project not only benefits China, but also draws attention from other nations looking to adopt similar ultra-high-speed maglev train technologies. China is setting a precedent for future ground transportation, setting a new standard for speed, efficiency, and sustainability. So the next time you think about what the future of transportation will look like, remember that it's no longer just a distant idea. It's under construction right now, with projects like the maglev ultra-high-speed train. China is not only breaking technological barriers, but also redefining what it means to connect regions, people, and opportunities at breathtaking speed. This train is more than a technological marvel. It is a symbol of the future we are heading towards. Let's continue aboard this train and travel to our next destination, Shong'an Smart City. A place that not only redefines the way we understand cities, but it also poses a bold model of what human settlements of the future could look like. Shong'an is not just a city, it is a living laboratory, a space designed from scratch with the concepts of sustainability, innovation, and quality of life at the forefront of its planning. Located about 100 kilometers south of Beijing, Shong'an aims to relieve pressure on the Chinese capital, one of the most densely populated cities in the world, and, at the same time, serve as a global benchmark for urban developments in the 21st century. This project, covering more than 1770 kilometers, is clear proof of how careful planning and futuristic vision can be combined to create something completely innovative. From its foundations, Shong'an was conceived as a green city. One of its main characteristics is its commitment to sustainability. More than 70% of its surface will be covered by green spaces and bodies of water, including parks, lakes, and protected natural areas. This approach not only improves the quality of life of its inhabitants, but also ensures that the city remains in harmony with the environment, mitigating the effects of urban growth on surrounding ecosystems. Transportation is another key pillar of Shong'an. Unlike traditional cities, where cars dominate the streets, this city is committed to a completely sustainable and connected transportation system. Electric vehicles, high-speed trains, autonomous buses, and shared bicycles will be part of a multimodal system that prioritizes efficient mobility and reduces carbon emissions. In fact, the city has been designed so that its inhabitants can make most of their daily trips on foot, by bicycle or by public transport, eliminating dependence on the private car. But what really puts Shong'an on the cutting edge is its technological infrastructure. The city will be equipped with a network of smart sensors that monitor everything from traffic and air quality to waste management. This data is analyzed in real time to make decisions that optimize the operation of the city, for example. Automated systems will be able to redirect traffic to avoid traffic jams or adjust street lighting levels according to weather conditions and time of day, saving energy. Technological innovation is not only present in the infrastructure, but also in the buildings of Shong'an. The city has an architectural design that prioritizes energy efficiency. The skyscrapers will be equipped with integrated solar panels, rainwater collection systems, and advanced insulation technology to reduce energy consumption. In addition, the buildings will be connected to smart grids that allow residents to monitor and control their energy use from their mobile devices. Another key aspect of Chongqing is its focus on the inclusion and well-being of its inhabitants. The city has been designed to be accessible and integrated, with residential, commercial, and recreational areas strategically located to minimize travel times. In addition, state-of-the-art hospitals and schools are being built, ensuring that all residents have access to high-quality essential services. Despite being an ambitious project, Xiong'an is not without challenges in implementing advanced technologies, managing costs, and meeting sustainable goals. These are titanic tasks. However, the Chinese government is committed to making this city an example of what can be achieved when technology, sustainability, and urban planning work hand in hand. Ultimately, Chongqing is not just a city, it's a vision. It's a model of how cities can evolve to meet the challenges of climate change, population growth, and disorderly urbanization is proof that it is possible to build a future in which cities are not only smarter, but also more humane, prioritizing quality of life and preservation of the environment. As this urban wonder continues to take shape, the world watches in awe, wondering, is this the solution to global urban problems with Chongqing? China is not just creating a city, but a platform for global change, an inspiration for future generations who will seek to build a better, greener, and more connected world. Let's continue exploring the wonders of Chinese engineering and reach our final destination, the Biatan Hydroelectric Project, a colossus that not only represents an exceptional technological advance, but also an unwavering commitment to clean energy and sustainable development. Located on the Ginza River, which is part of the upper reaches of the mighty Yangtze River, the Valjetan Hydroelectric Project is much more than a dam. It is a marvel of modern engineering that has managed to position itself as the second largest hydroelectric plant in the world, surpassed only by the famous Three Gorges Dam in our canal. We have a video dedicated exclusively to this monumental work, where we explore every detail of its construction and its impact. We also have another fascinating video where we compare this gigantic dam with the impressive sites in Canada, analyzing the differences and similarities between both. Once you finish watching this video, take a walk through the channel and watch them. They will surprise you with an installed capacity of 16,000 megawatts. Valjetan has the power to generate enough electricity to supply more than 500,000 people for an entire year. It is a work that combines advanced engineering with a monumental scale, setting a standard of excellence in the hydroelectric industry. The Valjetan Dam, with its double-curved arch design, reaches an impressive height of 277 meters. This innovative design is not only aesthetically striking, but also essential to withstand the enormous pressure of accumulated water and guarantee the stability of the structure over time. In addition, it is equipped with 16 giant turbines, each with the capacity to generate 1 gigawatt of electricity. This level of technology not only places Valjetan as a global benchmark, but also ensures its unparalleled efficiency and production capacity. The impact of this project goes beyond electricity generation. Valjetan is a key pillar in China's strategy towards an energy transition that prioritizes renewable sources and significantly reduces dependence on fossil fuels. In this process, the dam has played an essential role in reducing millions of tons of carbon emissions, contributing directly to the global effort to mitigate the effects of climate change in this regard. Heitan Valley not only supplies energy to vast regions of China, but also stands as a symbol of environmental commitment. Building a project of this magnitude was not without challenges, from the first feasibility studies carried out in 1992 until the start of its construction in 2017. Engineers encountered significant challenges like the mountainous terrain and the need to minimize environmental impacts in the region. Nevertheless, through an enormous effort and collaboration among experts from various domains, the dam started generating electricity in 2021. This event marked a historic landmark in the hydroelectric industry, surpassing its role as just an energy generator. Valleyton has other equally significant purposes. It acts as a crucial tool for water management on the Ginza River, helping to prevent flooding that could devastate local communities, and regulating the river's flow to ensure water supply for agriculture and human consumption. In addition, its ability to provide water to the surrounding areas reinforces its multifunctional role, benefiting both local communities and the national economy as a whole. Despite the controversies and challenges related to its environmental impact, Valleyton represents a perfect combination of innovation, sustainability, and ambition, through measures such as the relocation of endangered species and the implementation of environmental monitoring programs. Engineers have shown that it is possible to build advanced technological solutions while protecting biodiversity and natural resources. The Valleyton hydropower project, with its impressive capacity and innovative design, is not only a source of clean and sustainable energy, but also a testament to human ingenuity and China's commitment to a greener future. It represents an exceptional effort to build a world where renewable energy is accessible to all and where natural resources are used responsibly. So, as we reflect on this engineering masterpiece, it is clear that Valleyton is not just a dam. It is a symbol of progress, a bridge to a sustainable future, and an inspiration for the projects that are yet to come. And don't forget the videos about the Three Gorges Dam and the fascinating comparison with the Site C Dam in Canada await you on our channel. Take a walk through the channel and watch them once you finish watching this video. That's all for today. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to support our channel with a like, leave your comments, and share this video with someone who loves learning about megaprojects and technological innovation. Remember that on our channel, you will discover more intriguing content on the wonders of engineering, technology, and innovations that are reshaping our world. We invite you to join us in the next videos to continue exploring these remarkable human achievements together.